Hello guys, I'm Chetan Kansara. I'm a chartered accountant. I teach the subject of finance to the students of ACCA, CFA, CA and CS. I have an experience of more than 25 years in this subject. Guys, I'm starting with a batch for ACCA F9 paper. Let us find out the details of this batch. This batch is for those students who are appearing for September 2026 attempt. And in this batch I'm going to speak in the lectures I'm going to speak 100% English. This is 100% English batch, no other language, right? And this particular batch, when it is going to start, it will start on 15th of June and the timings will be from evening 7 to 9:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, now this batch is going to complete in approximately 80 to 85 hours, max 90 hours, but I'll try to complete in 85 hours, right? 80 to 85 hours we'll try to complete the batch. And which material we are going to use? We are going to use entirely Kaplan material, plus we are also going to use BPP material for problem solving. Some questions of BPP material also we are going to use. Okay, so basically we are going to use Kaplan material for this particular batch, right? What we are going to cover in the classroom? We are going to cover entire Kaplan material. In the class we'll be solving approximately all section A, section B questions and few questions of section C also. Plus guys, remember the basic concept you should understand very well. So we are going to focus on theory also. Some students, they ignore theory, but here in FM I will see to it that you also read the theory. So our focus will be on theory also. Of course practical questions are more important, no doubt, but theory is also equally important to understand the concepts. So we are going to concentrate on theory also. Apart from all TYU test your understanding questions given in Kaplan material, I said we will be solving some additional exam kit questions, BPP questions. I'll give you some questions for homework also, right? I'll be giving you homework questions and I expect you to solve those questions in the class, because see, I solved 10 questions, but you solving 2 questions, that makes more sense. That is more effective. That will be more effective. So I'll be also giving you homework questions which you are expected to solve. Then what about the portion completion? I expect at least 20 days before the exam your portion should be completed so that you get sufficient time. Now after your portion is completed, remember we will be solving a mock paper also. One paper we are going to solve. We will see how to appear for the paper, right? You will solve. I will also give you some recommendation. Together we are going to discuss the paper after you solve it. Okay, I'll be also there with you to solve the paper, right? Then what about the student queries? Your queries, I can 24/7 I'll be available. Okay, you'll be getting some WhatsApp support also. You can put your queries on WhatsApp and I'll be answering your questions. Guys, these are the basic details of the batch, and I'm so confident that if you appear for this batch, definitely you'll get some positive results. You'll be passing. I want you to pass. So, but only my efforts won't be enough. Your efforts will be also required for this batch, for this particular exam, right? And for that, what you have to do is you have to concentrate on the homework questions which I'm going to give you. Okay, apart from this, I'll also give you some markings in Kaplan material so that last minute reference you can at the end, suppose tomorrow is exam, right? And today you cannot go through the entire Kaplan material. That is not possible. So what you're going to study in the last 1 or 2 days, that also we will be discussing at the end. So guys, welcome to the batch. Do join and happy studying.